Hey guys, in this video, we'll be learning how to draw lighted mirror with backlit LED light. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we are going to start by creating the backlit LED. Alright, so for that, we are going to use the ceiling function. Okay, so double click onto the wall. Alright, so first thing we want to do is to draw a rectangle. Alright, so click onto the rectangle and just draw. Next thing, click onto the rectangle and then you may start to resize. So for my length, I'm going to put 1003, and for my width, I'm going to put 900. Alright, next thing we want to do is position it. Alright, 950. Okay, 1230, 950. Alright, all four sides are all parallel. Alright, so right now click onto the wall, alright, the big surface wall. Okay, so for the wall, we are going to change to 1. Okay, off the wall, change it to 1. And for this backlit LED, we are going to change to 30. Okay. Alright, next thing we want to do is just click onto the generate light strip. Alright, so once I click onto generate light strip, I will see the backlit LED light. Alright, next thing we want to do is click onto the section edit. Alright, click onto free. Alright, so now we can remove the cove. Alright, so just click onto the cove and delete. Okay, so this light, just drag it in and position. Alright, so you can see your light over here on your 3D. Alright, once it's done, you are also able to increase the light intensity, which is the brightness. So I'm going to put to 12. And then the next thing, if you would like to select colors, you can click onto this box. Alright, so I'm just going to leave it white light. Alright, so the backlit LED is done. So we can just return. Okay, so now we are going to use a superboard. Okay, so just go to any cabinet function and choose a superboard. Alright, so I'm going to type in super and just drag it out over here. Alright, so this would be the mirror. Okay, so the superboard would be my mirror. Okay, so first thing I want to do is to resize. Okay, so 1400 for my width and my depth would be 1000. Alright, so for the height, which is the thickness, I'm going to change it to 30. Alright, next thing I want to do is click on X. Okay, just to rotate the mirror up. Click on Z to drag it up to position it. Okay, so I can always place it here, go outside from my house and adjust. Alright, so the distance to the wall, okay, so right now is 122. I'm going to change to 32. Okay, 30 is because we have the backlit LED and I'm going to leave a 2 mm gap. Alright, so which is 32. Okay, so now I can just adjust my mirror. Okay, we can hold on to our control button and just adjust. Alright, so once we are done, we can click on this superboard. Alright, and over here in the product catalog, we are able to change the material to a mirror type. Alright, so I'm just going to type in mirror and choose this. Alright, so this is the mirror. Alright, so I have my mirror already, so I would like to create the light strip, this light strip. So to create the light strip, we can always go to cloud and use the fill light. Alright, so I'm going to use this, the 3.0 universal lamp belt. So just drag and make sure hold on to your space bar when you drag to your mirror. Okay, so now what you do is you might want to change the length. Okay, you might want to adjust the height. Alright, I'm going to change to 5. Okay, which is the thickness. Then of course you need to rotate and position. Okay, alright, so for the length, I'm going to change it roughly 800. Right, just like that. So if I would like to copy, I can just click on Shift, space bar, and just drag. Okay, so for this horizontal, same thing, I'm going to drag, okay, change the length, adjust the thickness. All right, so just place it for all four sides. All right, and when it's done, it will look something like that. And there you have it. So this is how to draw lighted mirror with backlit LED light. Good luck trying, guys.